What's up, guys? Check this out. So this morning, I bought some snacks from the vending machine. And look, got a whole bunch of quarters back. But I had a couple on the ground, the dime and that. So, let's see what we got. Let's see if we find any silver quarters or W quarters. Stay tuned. Look at, we got a bicentennial quarter right there. Some brand new quarters, we'll check those. Look. Got a bicentennial quarter. That looks like a silver quarter. That's cool. 1776 and 1976. $1. That's cool. Got a bicentennial quarter there. Awesome. Is that a silver quarter? 1965 though. That could be silver. It's not. Right. We got a 2022 Denver. Nana Atoya 1 Nepanair. Right. It's awesome. 1998 Denver. I'll take it. State quarters. The Denver. 2001 Vermont State Quarter. Freedom and Unity. 1791. I'll take it. What else we got here? 2022 Denver. Dr. Sally Radler's nothing there. Alright. 2022 Denver quarter. Never not a Toya one. Nothing there. Alright. 2018 Budiergis, Minnesota, Denver. And a quarter. It's a filler. That's a nice one. 2002 Indiana State quarter. 1816 Crossroads of America. The go-kart that stars in the state of Indiana. I'll take it. That's nice. Billy, 2011 Chickasaw, Oklahoma. Yeah, I might have one of these in the book. That's cool. Found another one. Alright. We have a 2014 Tennessee's Great Smoky Mountains. Denver. Not sure if I have this one too. I think I do have one of these in the book too. Put it all together. We got a 2023 Junidar quarter. There's nothing there. What else? Got a few more. Denver, 2017 Iowa Avegi Mountains. I'll take it. Two more quarters. Denver, 2016 Harper's Ferry, West Virginia John Brownsford. I'll take it. And a quarter. Denver, 2005 West Virginia State Quarter, 1863 New River George. Take it. It's over $5 in quarters. Check this out. We got a dime. That's extra 10 cents. That was in the coin slot. 1996 Denver. Got 10 cents. Check this out. I found this today. I picked it up. I thought it was a rare token. It's metal. It's made out of aluminum. It's a $sign. Huh. Know in the comments what that was. I found it on the ground, so that's cool. Alright. Got that. Let's see how much we got. I'm not sure if we have these quarters. I think we do. I should review them just in case. If I put it in the book. That's 50. $1. 50, 75, $2. $3. I got a bicentennial quarter, which is awesome. No W or silver quarters. 25, 50, 75, $1. $2. $3. $3.75 for the dime I found on the ground. That's $3.85 there. I'll take it. That's almost like $5 in quarters, but almost $4. $3.75 in quarters. So the total is $3.85 here. No silver or W quarters. Now we did find a couple quarters in the bicentennial quarter. I'll take it. And some new ones. And this on the ground. Oh, that's fake. Alright. That's cool. Hope you guys enjoy.